Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we're gonna get Daiquiri. Even though people were mixing rum, sugar, and lime for hundreds of years, it's never on paper. It was on paper in 1902 when a guy from Cuba named Genghis Cox brought this cocktail to New York, hit the nightclub scene very big, and it blew up from there. Let's make the cocktail. A very simple, refreshing, sour cocktail. 3 ingredients: a light rum, fresh lime juice, simple syrup. Today, for our spirit, we're using 2 ounces of light rum. We're gonna pour 2 ounces into a shaker tin. Next up, we're gonna do fresh lime juice. Now, fresh is always better. We're gonna do 1 ounce. Then, simple syrup. Sugar, water, equal ratio. We're gonna do 3/4 ounce. There you have it. 3 ingredients in the sugar tin. Let's add ice. Get a shaker or pint. Shake the cocktail. Now, we're gonna serve, strain into a chilled Coupe Glass. And this drink is served up, which means no ice. Perfect. Now we're gonna add a lime well, not lime wheel. Well, there you have it. A daiquiri. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Very refreshing, very sour, great for a warm day. Go home, try it for yourself. Tell your friends. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us at the Blue Collar Bartender on Instagram. Thanks, bye.